Severe chronic otitis externa is one of the most debilitating conditions suffered by companion animals. It not only affects quality of life by causing pain and dysfunction, but also significantly affects the human-animal bond. Otitis externa also causes odor and discharge, which can make human and family members avoid contact with their pets. The need for constant topical medication can make pets resent and avoid human contact. Resistant bacterial strains and progressive stenosis can make treatment even more challenging over time. Many pets are euthanized because of these issues. While medical management can provide relief in many patients with chronic otitis externa, severe cases with resistant bacterial flora, stenosis, or atresia of the ear canal, or presence of neoplasia require surgery. There are a few options for the surgical management of chronic ear disease, but studies show that nothing is as effective as a total ear canal ablation for resolution of clinical signs, elimination of the need for chronic medication, and restoration of the human-animal bond. Many primary care veterinarians are reluctant to perform this procedure because of an incomplete understanding of the procedure, a lack of familiarity with the intricate anatomy, concerns over lack of appropriate equipment, and fears about potential complications. At VetDojo, we have created a course entitled Total Ear Canal Ablations from Start to Finish. This course will help you gain the knowledge and confidence to perform this surgery. Using video and mini ebooks, you will review the indications for the surgery, the relevant anatomy, appropriate preoperative testing, and modest equipment requirements. You will be taught each step of the surgical procedure from start to finish, including pitfalls and how to avoid and manage postoperative complications. You will also learn postoperative care and monitoring. As part of the course, you will receive surgical and equipment checklists which can be printed and posted in the surgical suite. You will join the ranks of dozens of veterinarians I have taught how to perform total ear canal ablation through in-person and video instruction. You will benefit from the insights gained from observing challenges and concerns that other surgeons have had in performing this procedure. This course will give you confidence to perform this procedure in the clinical setting. Following the course, you can ask specific questions of the instructors. You can also attend regularly scheduled live question and answer sessions. By taking this course, you have the chance to radically change the quality of life of many pets and their owners. If you are interested, please click on the link in the description of this video below.